Hello everyone, myself Prashant. So our today's topic is Union and its territory, and we will discuss Article 1 of Indian Constitution. So let's begin. So the first point or the most important pointer in this article is or rather describes India, that is Bharat. So two names, India as well as Bharat, and it describes India or Bharat as a union of states. So here we are seeing that name of the country, right? In India and Bharat in Article 1, and then type of polity. Here we are seeing union of states, so it is a type of polity, right? Uh, Here we need to know that why two names given, India as well as Bharat. So the reason was that there was no unanimity or no consensus among the leaders of the time with respect to name of the country. That is why two names given, India as well as Bharat, right? So India, when we are talking about type of polity, so India is a union of states, right? So on this union of states, Bhim Rao Ambedkar commented that Indian Federation is not the result of an agreement among states like American Federation. So in American Federation is the result of an agreement among states, but that is not the case in India, right? India is not formed through agreement among states to form Indian Federation. Rather, India is a union of states, right? Here in India, states have no right to secede, but that is not the case in American Federation, right? In American Federation, states have right to secede, so you should know, right? So no right to secede, no right to secede in Union of States, right? In Union of States, and yeah, but if you're talking about American Federation, then they have there the states have right to secede. Just for knowledge purpose, American Federation, right to secede. States have right to secede, right? This is the difference between Indian Federation and American Federation. Very important. Now let's move to the next slide. So here it says that according to Article 1, territories of India includes territories of states, right? Territories of states, union territories, and territories that, it should be T, territories that may be acquired by government any time, right? So in exams questions are asked, right? So asked in the form that Article 1 territories, in Article 1 territories of India includes which of the following. So you should know that it includes territories of states, it includes union territories, it includes territories that may be acquired by government any time. So all of the above. Now here it says that special provisions O, special provisions to some states. So that is in part 21 of Indian Constitution. So this thing is there in Article 1, and Article 1 has also given exception to J and K. So this was the case when special status was not removed for J and K, right? So when constitution was enacted, so special status was there for J and K. So exception was given for J and K with respect to Article 1, right? Exception. But since now J and K has become a union territory, that exception must have been removed, right? So this is what it says. Then here it says that in Article 1, union of in Article 1 Union of India includes only states. Very important, right? Questions are twisted on this type of statement, right? So it will say union of it. So in exams, statement will be twisted in the form by mentioning that Union of India includes includes states as well as union territory, but that is not the case. Here it's clearly saying that Union of India includes only states, no union territories, right? Then it says territory of India includes union territories and territories that may be acquired by government, right? So here also you need to be very careful. It is saying territory of India includes only union territories and territory that can be acquired by government. So here states is not there. So here also statements will be twisted and said that territory of India includes states also, but that is not the case. Territory of India includes union territory and territories that can be acquired by government. So you need to be careful. Then article 1 says that being a sovereign state, India can acquire territory by secession, occupation, conquest and subjugation. So four criteria are there for acquiring territory. So you should know that four criteria are there in constitution, right? And acquire, you should know this word acquire. uh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Goa, Daman and Diu, Puducherry and Sikkim have been acquired since 1950. So here also this acquired word, and here also says acquire, right? So you need to relate. And since it is saying since 1950, Dadra and Nagar Haveli is acquired, Goa is acquired, Daman and Diu is acquired, Puducherry is acquired and Sikkim are acquired since 1950 through different through all these four criterion, right? Through all these four criterion, right? So it is important to know. Let's move to the next slide. So I hope I have covered all the important points in article 1 of Indian Constitution, right? Next I'll be coming up with article 2 of Indian Constitution. So thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. So thank you again. Thank you so much.